Okay, viscosity refers to the thickness of a liquid or its gooiness, and it refers to how easily particles move. Sorry, girls, move. Yeah, with a pen. I'm going to do it with a red pen. How move around each other. Okay, so that's what viscosity is talking about. So if I try to do a diagram of this one, it will be like I have my particles, agree, and then I have the particles on the bottom, and it depends on how easily one rolls against the other. Okay, so here we talk about two things: viscous liquids are hard to pour. And an example will be, for example, honey. Okay. Our examples also here can be cooking oil, for example. That is harder to pour than, for example, water. Okay. If we go on to our next one is compressibility. So compressibility talks about the ability of a substance to be squashed or compressed. Okay. So is the ability to be squashed. Rub it out. Highlighted in yellow. Thank you. To be squashed or compressed. Okay. In solids, a liquid and liquids, there is no space between particles, therefore cannot be compressed, and they are called incompressible. Okay, so liquids and solids, they don't have a space, so they cannot be compressed of the particles, and we have talked about this several times before, so I'm not going to do the drawing of the particles because you have done that. But in which state of matter you can compress them? In gases, because there is enough space. In your book, Figure 2.1 shows this. So if a gas in a bike pump, for example, the particles have plenty of space, so I can compress it, I can push them, and then the particles can get closer together. Agree? So in gases, can be compressed. But with solids and liquids, there is not enough space. And you can do a drawing if you want to next to it, but I'm not going to do it because we have done plenty of those. If you have a question about this one, which drawing, you can stop here. I'm going to try. I'm tempted to do a drawing here. So the drawing is that one. So if I have solids, this will be a solid. Agree? So I cannot push these particles closer. And a liquid will be something like, but also very close together. So there is no room for it to be compressed or the particles to move. Okay,